Mad, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Welcome our class 5s for today's English lesson. Now today we are learning the use of question tags. Now, what is a question tag? To start with, what is a question tag? It seems that nobody is willing to attempt. Now, we say a question tag is a short statement that comes at the end of a statement or a sentence statement, changing it to a question. So, a question tag is a short statement that comes at the end of a statement, changing it to a question. Now, for example, we may say, she is funny. She is funny. Now we want to change this statement into a question by putting a question tag. So how does it go? She is funny. Using the helping verb, we are going to form the question tag in that statement. She is funny. Isn't she? Isn't she? So now this short statement, that is a question tag, changes this statement, a declarative statement, into a question. Now, whenever we are forming question tags, there are certain rules that have to be followed for you to get the correct tag in each statement that you write. Now, rule number one. Yes, somebody wants to try. A positive statement takes a negative question tag. Just like in our example. We can have also another example. She enjoys reading. What is the question tag for that? Yes. Doesn't she? Question mark. So in this statement, you will realize that we don't have a helping verb in that statement. So what do? In a statement that does not have a helping verb, we always use the correct form of the verb do, does, or did in the past tense. Any of these will work depending on the tense of that statement. We can have another statement that is positive, and it is going to help us form a question tag. They are drawing. What is the question tag for that? Yes. Aren't they? Question mark. And you always have to remember that question mark. If you fail to put it, your statement will be wrong. Rule number two. It says that a negative statement takes a positive question tag. Positive question tag. And how are you able to tell that a statement is negative? Yes, somebody has said it. When you find the word not in that statement. The moment you find the word not in a statement, the statement is negative. For example, we will say, she is not at home. She is not at home. So therefore, we find that the word not makes this statement negative. The word not makes this statement negative. And therefore, our tag will be positive. Our tag will be positive. We shall not repeat not in our tag. Using the helping verb, is, we are able to form our question tag. We are able to form our question tag. Is she? Question mark. Is she? Question mark. So this one is in the positive because the statement is in the negative. Let's have another example. They do not enjoy reading. They do not enjoy reading. What will be the question tag for that statement? Yes, try. Very good. It will be do they? Question mark. So therefore, with the not being there, the statement is negative, and this one therefore will be positive. That one will be positive. Now we have another rule on the same question tags. Now this one is the use of I am. When you have the statement, I am reading. I am reading. Now, what will be the question tag for that statement? I am reading. Very good. The question tag will be aren't I. Aren't I. So in this case, we don't find ourselves saying aren't I. That one is grammatically wrong. That's there isn't such a statement in that in English. So I am reading. Aren't I. Another one is let us go out. Let us. So realize you are there. You are among those who are going out. So of course in the question tag we shall have we. We must be there. So let us go out. Yes. It will be shan't we. Let us go out, shan't we. So with those few rules of the use of the question tags, I believe you will be able to work out any exercises that come your way involving question tags. So keep on reading this kind of work, do a lot of practice in it, and I'm sure you will be able to answer many questions. Have a good time. I hope we shall meet next time. Bye-bye.